Hi, today we are going to see about the zeros of polynomial. So what is meant by zeros of a polynomial? A number x is equal to a is called a zero of a polynomial. That is p of x if p of a is equal to 0. So when you see this one through the example, you can clearly understand, I hope. So you are having a polynomial that is p of x as 2x squared plus 3x. So what you are going to do is you have to verify that whether the 3 and 0 are the zeros of the polynomial. So how to find that? In the place of x, you have to substitute the values. Okay, in the place of x, you have to substitute the values, that is the numbers. So here, whether you have to check 3 or 0. So first we are going to check with 3. So you are taking the number 3 and you are going to substitute over there. So when you substitute over there, what you are getting over there? So p of 3. So instead of x, you are putting 3. Then 2, instead of x, you are putting 3, the whole square. Then plus 3 into 3. Now, when you do the calculation, that is 2 into 9. So plus 3 into 3 is 9. And when you do the calculation, you are getting 27. So it is not equal to 0. So what you are saying, as it is not equal to 0, 3 is not the zeros of a polynomial. 3 is not a zero of a polynomial. Now, coming to the next one. So you are putting 0 in the value of x. So when you substitute 0 over there, you are getting 2, 0. So when you multiply 0 into 0, obviously it becomes 0 and it will get 0. So finally what you are getting, that the answer is 0. So as you are getting answer as 0, you are saying that 0 is the zeros of a polynomial over here. So coming to in general, what we can say that a number which satisfies that equation, that is in the end if you are getting the answer as 0, then you can say that number as the zeros of a polynomial over here. So that is what the zeros of a polynomial concept. So when you take x, instead of x, if you put any number, that is any variable if you put it, and any variable, that is any constant number if you get it, that is equal to 0. That is called the zeros of a polynomial over here.